This will help you level up your interior renders, a very simple lighting technique that will make your renders much more interesting. So how to turn this render into this? So I have this basic setup. It's just a window lighting up my room. I want my chair to pop out more. So I add a spotlight from the window to light up my chair. This gives me a nice highlight on my chair. I can edit it as much as I want. You can make it move to the back to make it more of a highlight to the chair. And now you can add a second one from the room onto the chair. You can imagine it as a TV light, like in this example for you can make it blue, or you can make it red or orange as a firelight or whatever. So that's it. This is the trick. I'm hoping this will help you make your renders better and more appealing to look at. With some post processing, this simple render can look like this.